another storm about to hit just hours after the record-breaking blizzard. And tonight, the view we haven't seen. This image from NASA this evening, the East Coast, lit up there on the left, that monster storm now off to sea. But this is what it left behind. Up to 3 feet of snow, a blanket of white across the Northeast tonight. And the devastation from the ground this evening, the floods, the homes and cars covered in ice. Inside, homes destroyed. In a moment, meteorologist NEWSzy with the next system across several states. But first tonight, meteorologist Rob Marciano, live in Marshfield, Massachusetts. And what a stunning scene there, Rob.
Indeed, David, I tell you what, the New England coastline just got crushed by this storm. Some of these homes in Marshfield likely to be condemned. Massive waves, huge winds, just devastated this coastline. And this seawall, meant to protect these homes, just a crumbled, mangled mess tonight. Tonight, the frozen Massachusetts coastline looks like a war zone. The region now buried in deep snow and bracing for more. In Marshfield, blizzard conditions for 14 hours straight, encasing everything in ice. Fisherman Timothy Manick assessing the damage to his house and himself. He broke his nose when a massive wave crashed right through his home.
There's quite a bit of damage, though. That front wall there never caved in before.
The National Guard rescuing residents from flooded homes. Thousands still without power. Utility workers today hammering away ice to try to clear power lines. Further inland, record-breaking snow. Worcester, over 34 inches. In Auburn, you can barely see the street signs. Hudson, Mass. got 3 feet too, enough to trap residents inside their homes. In Nashua, New Hampshire, firefighters racing to clear buried hydrants. And in Boston, where schools are closed